Well, this is an Apache here.
This is a Roser.
TVS Apache, and this is somebody's bike. They're riding it, and just happened to see one. They don't have any at the dealership right now, and it's a RTR, and it's a 150cc. Got a Kickstarter there, and it says, I guess that's the model, huh? Looks like drum brake in the back, disc brake in the front, and carburetor. This one is carburetor, but I think this is something like maybe a 2016, I guess. Let's go around the other side real quick. Here's the front. It's got some aftermarket grips on it. Definitely aftermarket mirrors.
This is a very good bike.
This is a very good bike. Okay.
This is a nice.
Yeah, you don't see a whole lot of them in Negros Oriental, the island of Negros Oriental. But anyway, it's a quick look at one. What?
Almost 80,000.
What?
80,000.
Oh, 80,000 is probably what they go for. And let's see, it's got like a screen and analog tachometer on it.
TVS.
And it has ABS. Yeah, those are definitely aftermarket mirrors. What? Ah. Well, anyway, let me get. Let's see.
Nice bike.
Nice bike. And that's it. It's an Apache. I don't know if I can get.